Good morning, good afternoon, good evening, depending on where you are watching this video from. In today's video, we are going to be taking last example under limit of a function. We have a question before us. We have to evaluate lim n approaches infinity, 5n squared minus 3n over 3n squared plus 7n minus 4. To solve this question is not difficult at all. Let's take a solution to this. Please, if you are watching my video, always help me to like, shares. If you are on my YouTube, subscribe. If you are on Facebook, ensure to follow me. If you are not on my Facebook, you are on my YouTube, kindly help me to share. So let's take a solution without wasting too much time. Let's take a solution.
Let's see.
Yeah.
What beside now?
Geometry sweet like Afrobeat. When you get them right, they hit. We go teach you step by step. With precision, you know, go forget.
So we start like this. Since n is approaching infinity, since we have a 5n squared, to solve this kind of question, we are going to divide through by the highest power of n. So we divide through by the highest power of n. We have lim n approach infinity, 5n squared divided by what? N squared minus 3n divided by what? N squared over 3n squared divided by what? N squared plus 7n divided by n squared minus 4 divided by what? N squared. N squared cancel n squared. 1n here cancel 1n here. N squared here cancel n squared. 1n here cancel 1n here. Such that we now have lim n approach infinity. We have 5 left minus 3 over what? N divided by, here we have 3 plus 7 over n minus 4 over n squared. Now since n is approaching infinity, anywhere we see n, we use what? 0 to what? Replace it. Since n approach infinity, this n is going to what? Turn to 0. Everything that is divided by n will turn to what? 0, such that we have 5 minus 0 over 3 plus 0 minus what? 0 equal to 5 minus 0 is what? 5. 5 over 3 plus 0 minus 0 is what? 3. At the end of the day, this is the answer to this kind of question. Thanks for watching this video. See you in my next video. In my next video, we are going to be starting differentiation. So kindly ensure to watch, always follow my video, because we are going to finish everything in differentiation. We are going to take in the rules, and after everything we enter integration. See you in my next video. Bye.